The next words we are going to form are the masculine or feminine. We are going to form the feminine form from the masculine form. So here are different ways in which the masculine form can be changed into the feminine form. So these are some examples of the rules. So the first one is final plus E. So you add an E at the end. So this is the most common case. So in most of the words, the feminine form just takes an E. For example, the word compétent, it is the masculine form. To form the feminine form, we add an E. It becomes feminine. So this is the case in most scenarios. This is what we do. We add an E. The next one, vowel plus E. So the word is ending with a vowel. For example, the word joli. To write it in the feminine form, we add E. Like I told you, this E is what we add E in most of the cases when we are given the masculine form and you want to write it in the feminine form, we add E. So this is the common cases. So now we are going to see some of the exceptional cases. So the next one is IEN, IENNE. So the words that end in IEN in the masculine form, in the feminine form, it takes IENNE as the ending. For example, the word information. Information. So if you see, the ending is IEN. So the feminine form would take, so now it is information. So in the feminine form, it becomes une. I hope you remember the articles, the indefinite and the definite articles. So becomes une and the noun that ends with IEN becomes IENNE. It takes IENNE as the ending. So this is how you write the feminine form. The next one, so that is one of the special cases. The next one is when the word ends in IER. The feminine form takes IERE, and if you notice, E has a grave accent. So you should not forget that. So if you don't use this accent here, the meaning of the word changes. So an example for this is infirmier. Infirmier. Now it ends in IER. So the feminine form again becomes une and the ending is IERE, not forgetting your grave accent. The next case is EUR. So when the masculine form of the verb ends with EUR, the feminine form takes EUSE as the ending. For example, the word chanteur, the feminine form is une. So EUR becomes EUSE. Une chanteuse. So a singer, this is also a singer, this is masculine, this is feminine. So the next case is a word ending in AIS. So the feminine form takes AISE. So this is also common because we just add E to the ending. For example, the word Português, in the feminine form it becomes une português. You add E at the end. The next one is also a common case. A word ending in A-I-N. The feminine form is A-I-N-E. We add E. An American, un American. So all we did was add an E at the end to make it feminine. And finally, the last one is a word ending in IF. When we want to write a word that's masculine form ends with IF in the feminine form, it takes IVE as the ending. For example, un sportif. So you see this word ends in IF. So in the feminine form, un becomes un. IF is replaced with IVE. Un sportif. So in the masculine form, the ending is IF. In the feminine form, it is IVE. So these are some examples of how you would write the feminine form of the words. In most cases, you just add an E. See, in the first two cases, and then in these two cases. So you only add an E to make it feminine. In the other cases, IEN becomes IENNE, IER becomes IERE. You must not forget the accent here. EUR becomes EUSE, and a word ending in IF becomes IVE. So you have to remember these words and their endings and how the ending changes when you change it from masculine to feminine.